To conclude this chapter on strings, we'll talk about some specific characters in strings such as quotations. For example, if you try to type something like this, so let's say we have in quotations, we have the contraction I'm, a string in Python. So as you can see from the highlighted syntax, we don't get the result we want. So in order to print single quotations like in a contraction like this, you need to put the entire string within double quotation marks. So that's the difference here between. And this will build without a problem. So if you're expecting a single quote like for apostrophe inside a string, you should use the double quotes. And if you want to use quotations, for example, you want to say Python with quotes around it, you should use single quotes. So that's where really the key difference between single quotes and double quotes come in. So you should be aware of that. So let's change this to I am a. So then this quote works, builds without a problem, and you know how that looks like. So, but if we want to use both quotation types, then we would have to use the following. We have to use the backslash before the quotation. In case of the backslash sign creates problems, we can put the character R before the string, for example. Well, actually, let me just display the backslash first. So I backslash quote, as you can see, it's highlighted here, M, a string in Python. And this builds without a problem. So this backslash actually is called escape. This is called escaping characters. So we use that backslash and the character we want to display that wouldn't otherwise be displayed in a string like this. So anyway, so in the case of the backslash sign, if you want to actually use that, it creates problems. So like I said, we put the R in the string, for example, print. So we're going to say R, C, colon, this is just an example, number, slash nan. And then we get the proper text from using this R. Also, if we wanted to find the output of a string ourselves, we can do so by putting the string inside triple quotations. So let's get rid of this. So we're going to say print, and we're going to say 3 quotes. So 3 quotes. We're going to have a backslash, backslash, and then we're going to have some let's say hello, colon, and we're going to say user defined look Python output, and then we'll press enter, and then we're going to build that, and then there you go. So with single quotes, with triple quotes like this, you can define the actual output of the string itself. So that pretty much concludes this chapter on strings. Thanks for watching.